Introducing Project Limelight. This is a 1996 Land Rover Defender 90, painstakingly transformed through a meticulous body-off restoration that demanded over 600 hours of skilled craftsmanship and more than £40,000 in new components. At its heart remains the original, numbers-matching 300 TDI 2.5-litre turbo diesel engine, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 2-speed transfer case. Original engine, original chassis. Authenticity preserved exactly as Land Rover intended. Fully eligible for import into the USA. Project Limelight has been treated to a host of new body panels, a genuine Land Rover Puma bonnet, new one-piece Puma doors complete with electric windows and swing-away tailgate conversion. The suspension has been completely upgraded with a 2-inch lift kit. Terrafirma springs and shock absorbers, Castor-corrected radius arms, galvanized components, stainless steel hardware and Polybush upgrades throughout. Every detail chosen to improve capability without compromising character. Braking performance has been comprehensively renewed with new discs, calipers, pads, braided brake lines and galvanized backing plates, while heavy-duty steering components deliver confidence both on and off the road. Mechanically, nothing has been overlooked. The engine has undergone a full health inspection with a new cam bolt, water pump, radiator, fresh fluids throughout, and a sports exhaust to complete the package. The exterior combines classic Defender styling with modern craftsmanship. NAS-style safety devices, roll cage with an Exmore trim, stay fast soft top, create an unmistakable presence. Premium CNC machined Optimil aluminium hardware replaces factory fittings throughout, complemented by handcrafted stainless steel bumpers and rock sliders from Uproar 4-Orc 4. All handmade in the UK. LED lighting, Evo Course Dakar wheels, Toyo Open Country mud terrain tires, and powerful auxiliary spotlights complete a Defender that's as capable as it is striking. Inside, luxury meets utility. Heated Lucari quilted leather seating with contrasting white stitching transforms the cabin, alongside a TD5 dashboard conversion, premium Exmore trim finishes, and upgraded acoustic insulation. Technology has been discreetly integrated with a Kenwood wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto multimedia system, supported by a premium focal sound system, delivering exceptional audio quality wherever the journey leads. This isn't simply a restored Defender, it's a carefully curated build that respects its heritage while embracing modern comfort, reliability, and performance. Better still, this Defender is fully eligible for import into the United States, making it an exceptional opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. If you've been waiting for the right Defender, this is the one. Available now from Moorland Rovers.